Hey everybody, welcome back. Well today, the time has finally come that I can't put it off any longer. It's getting the leading edge actually epoxied to the front of the flaps. I can only do one at a time because I only have enough clamps to do clamp it one in place. All the false ribs have been marked where they go in here. I need to just take it off, clean the inside of the fiberglass, abrade the front of the tube where the false ribs get epoxied on it, and hope that all goes better than I think it might. We'll see. And yeah, I'm going to get to it, and I'll see you in just a little bit. Well, things went better than I thought they were today. It actually worked out pretty well. I've got it all clamped up. Everything went together just like it was supposed to. Everything is epoxied in place, and I think it's going to work out just fine. Tomorrow's project is up on the bench already, so I've got to take it apart, clean everything, so that I can start epoxying it. So that one will be done tomorrow also. Then the flaps are pretty well done. it is always a battle in my head as to how much epoxy I need to mix up. Not enough, and I waste precious time as that epoxy is starting to set. While I mix up more to finish the job, or I end up with way too much and end up throwing it out. Luckily today, I guessed right, and I came out with just enough to do what I needed to do. Pretty happy about that too. And one thing is that this morning my wife says, well, why didn't you wear different shirts for a change? You got a lot of shirts you could wear. And well, the reason I don't is that if there was a way I could get into the epoxy, touch something I'm not supposed to, and then get it on me, I will. No doubt about it, it's a given. And you would think after this many years, she would have figured that out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody. I'll talk to you later. Bye.